Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickUp step by step clearly. Visit the ClickUp website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button. You will be presented with options to sign up using Google, Apple, or an email address. If you choose Google or Apple, click the respective button and follow the prompts to log in. If you prefer to use an email address, select Sign up with email. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Click the Get Started button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification message from ClickUp. Open the email and click on the verification link. After verification, you will be redirected back to ClickUp. Fill out the required information, such as your name and company name. Select your preferred time zone and click Continue. You will then be guided to choose a plan that suits your needs. Review the plan options and select the one that fits your requirements. Once you select a plan, click on Continue. Customize your workspace by following the on-screen instructions for setting up. You can add team members if desired by entering their email addresses. Click Continue to finalize your workspace setup. Explore the ClickUp interface and familiarize yourself with its features. Congratulations, you are now registered with ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.